This video quickly walks you through on how to password the file you want to share with someone on OneDrive. The first step is to launch your web browser, which can be Google Chrome or Edge. Let's use Edge in this case. Visit OneDrive.com and log in. You can see the web link here, OneDrive.com. I'll press the Enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you log in successfully, you will be on the home. Click on My Files. This gives you access to all the files you have in your account and the folders. So, scroll to the file you want to share with people or someone. In this case, I want to share this file. Then, take your cursor to the file and you will see these three dots here. Click on it. Then, select Share. Once you're on this page, you're expected to add the email address of the person you want to send this to, or maybe if you want to copy a link and send to him, just click on copy link. But before we do that, let's set a password. So click on this settings icon here. Then here you will see set password. So click on that. Then add a password you want the person to use to unlock this file. So after setting the password, you can click on it to see it and then copy it before you share with the person. Alright, so that you can send it to him as well at the end of the whole thing. So let me click on this to see my own password here. So let's say I want to copy it. I'll Ctrl C to copy it and then I'll paste it in a program, maybe in my notepad. Okay. So look at it. I will paste it here. So if I share the file, I will send this to the person to use it to open it. Okay, because I assume it's confidential in this case. Okay. So after that, the next step is to click on apply. Then type the email address of the person you want to send the file to. So once you type the email address, it will show up under. Click on it. So leave a message for him. So here, let me leave a message telling him that this is passworded. He should use a particular password to unlock it. All right. My message reads, this file is locked. Use the password below to open it. And I quoted the password. So the next step is to click on send. So he will get the message in his email together with this password. So he will click on the file and use that password to unlock it and do any editing or anything you want to use it for. All right. If you want to learn more tech tips with a little touch of finance sometimes, just consider subscribing. Okay, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.